Hi, this is Evan with Haven Lighting, and I'm going to show you how to replace the fuse on the mini controller. Now this works with our Q series, our K series, our Wi-Fi, our non-Wi-Fi, basically any mini controller this will work for. For this you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of tweezers. All right, let's get started. Go ahead and flip it over and you'll see these screws. Go ahead and unscrew those. Let's flip it over and then carefully remove the lid. There's the circuit board. So if you notice, there's 3 more screws here, and we'll need to remove those as well. Carefully remove the circuit board. As it is tethered to the enclosure here. And this has one 5-amp fuse. The replacement is right here in the enclosure. So let's get your tweezers out and remove the fuse. Going to gently rock back and forth as you pull. There you go. And then replace it with the replacement fuse. Make sure it snaps into place. And there you go. Now reverse the process and put it back together. Screw the circuit board back on. And screw the cover back on. There you go, good as new. As always, if you have any questions, visit us at havenlighting.com or give us a call. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.